Okay, here's an actual past paper question, which is part A. Part B is just something I pasted here. Now, if they ask questions like this, describe what this transformation matrix does to the image. All you have to do is just draw an easy image and then go ahead and multiply the matrix by each vertex and figure out what the transformation actually is. And that's what we're going to do right now. And we're just going to do it with this image. So this is a pretty easy image that I found in Google Images. And I'm going to go ahead and explain what I'm talking about right now. So I'm going to write each vertex a column vector, and just to remind you, column vectors are this x, y. So I'm going to take each vertex, and I've got one at 2, 1, 2, 1, and I've got one vertex at 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, and the other one is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 1. Okay. And there are my three column vectors for the vertices. So I'm going to multiply each one by n, by this matrix. 0, 1, negative 1, 0. And I'm going to start out with the 2, 1. And we're going to see what happens. And don't forget, you want to multiply the horizontal by the vertical. You're going to do rows times columns. So what I'm going to do is, let's see, so I'm going to multiply this by this first, and that's going to give us the top value of the 2 by 1 matrix that's going to result here. So I'm going to wind up with, okay, so I'm going to wind up with, I'm going to write small, 0 times 2. It's this times that, plus that times that, okay, plus 1 times 1. And now I'm going to do this row times this column. So negative 1 times 2 plus 0 times 1. Okay, so there's that, and we're almost there. So now 0 plus 1 is 1. I think. And then negative 2 plus 0 is negative 2. Okay, now that we've completed multiplying that, I can plot it and we can start seeing what the new image is going to look like. I can't wait to see it. So 1, 1, 2, negative 2. Okay, there's our first vertex. So this vertex went here. And I'm already beginning to understand, I think, what's going to happen with this transformation. Multiply the other two vertices. So this row, this column, so 0 times 2 plus 1 times 4, and negative 1 times 2 plus 0 times 4, so we've got negative 2, and 0 times 8 plus 1 times 1, and negative 1 times 8 plus 0 times 1. Okay, and now we're going to plot it, so we've got 4, negative 2, 1, negative 8, 4, negative 2, and 1, negative 8. 1, 2. It's way down there. It seems a bit long, doesn't it? So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it's correct. So let's just go ahead and continue. And I'm going to draw this in. And we're going to see what happened, what transformation actually took place with this transformation vector. What did it bring about? And this suspense is killing me. All right, here we go. And we can see that it's a 90-degree rotation about the, well, it's about the origin. And to me, that's the easiest way to go about addressing these transformation matrices.